Hello everyone, welcome to MinDreamy's study progress blog series. This is day 24 of the series, and as you know, my exams are over. Yesterday they were finished, and I was saying that the next hustle is going to begin. I also don't know that much about that hustle, but I'm trying to getting involved in it, like preparing for a competitive exam. It can be any, like we see that student prepare for so many exams, but my strategy would be different. Like firstly I have to go through the syllabus. So today I have taken some of the screenshots of syllabus parts, and I was thinking on which subject I have a good grasp and in which subject I have to work. Like for example, in every competitive exam, English comes, and my English is not that much good. There are words between I got confused, and the meanings of those words, they are actually used in the statements. I don't know about that, so I have to work upon them. And for next 1 month, from the day after tomorrow, I'll be working upon that, concepts building, daily 10 to 12 questions practicing, whether they are of any of the subjects related to that exam. So I will prepare for that. For 1 month, only the basics building. Every house has a block of bricks on, what I can say, hidden in the land. So I'm going to make that basics first, and that is the important part of this journey, because as you have seen, I have given the exams with different strategies. Every exam has a different strategy to work out. Just in some papers I have studied all the syllabus and tried to manage. In some exams I have applied 80-20 rule. So that's how I approach the exams, because we don't know exactly how the examiner will going to ask those questions. So we have to build all the concepts that are came around. In some exams, when you do full syllabus, still you are not being able to answer some of the questions. But in some exam, if you complete half of the syllabus, you are able to solve 90% of the paper. So that's the kind of thing that I have realized preparing for these exams. In this semester I haven't gone to college that much, so I can say I have prepared all the exams at my own. And also when there was mid-semester examination, I had also prepared that at my own. But there was a kind of I can say liberty to us, that syllabus was given to us. We have to do that only. But in this final exams, I have realized that I can do better than I could imagine. So I will write syllabus tomorrow of that exam. And also that I have cough and fever, so that has become a very tragic thing for me, because I have to take care of myself. I had taken rest all of the day today, but in night I have to make dinner also. So that's the kind of thing that I have to do. But I was not good enough, better than yesterday. After giving the exam, I was not able to get up from the bed. But now I'm feeling well, and yes, the new hustle is going to begin the day after tomorrow, because tomorrow I have to go somewhere and have to make future for someone others. So after doing that, I will switch to the new hustle. But that is going to be not hard work, that's going to be smart work. 90% of smart work, 10% of hard work is, or I can say 50-50. 50% of hard work, 50% of smart work. Let's include our fortune also. So if I include fortune, 10% of fortune, 40% hard work, 50% smart work. So that's going to be my strategy. I also will be able, means I will write the topics which I have to cover on the day, and I will tell you how much I covered and how did I approach these questions, and which video do I follow. And I hope so we all get our dream job, or we all get what we want, but not the bad things, only the good ones.